Now we're going to look at ProQuest Central, which is one of the library's most comprehensive databases and a great place to start your research. It contains about 14,000 journals, 1,700 magazines, and 2,700 newspapers in which you have full text access to. So to get to ProQuest Central, first you need to navigate to the library's homepage, select Menu, and then select Find. And under Find, you will see it says Databases. You'll want to select Databases, and this will take you to the list of all the databases in which you have access to at Montclair State University. You can search for it by subject, or it's arranged alphabetically. So for ProQuest Central, I'm going to go to P. I'm just going to scroll down. It's right here, ProQuest Central. It's also under our featured databases located to the right as well. So I'm just going to select this link, and it's going to take me to the ProQuest Central homepage. And I'm just going to go straight to the advanced search. So today I'm interested in the topic of income inequality and how it relates to public health. So to search for that, I'm going to type in income inequality, and I'm putting this into quotation marks because I want to search the phrase income inequality as opposed to the two keywords income and inequality. And I also am interested in how income inequality relates to public health. So I'm going to type in public health. And again, I'm putting it into quotation marks. And I'm just going to select search. Let's see how many results we get. So we have quite a few results, 32,788, which is probably a little more than I need. So I'm going to need to refine my results. To do that, there's different search limiters on the left-hand side of the results page. As you can see, you can sort it, you can limit to full text or peer-reviewed, the source type, the publication date, if I'm only interested in articles in the last couple years. This is a very helpful tool. There's also subject, language, etc. So first, let's see. I'm only interested in articles that have immediate access to. I don't really want to order an interlibrary loan for this particular assignment. This is just an initial search. So I'm going to refine my results to full text. Okay, so that's brought us to 30,834 results, which is still a lot of results. I don't think I could sift through that many. So I need to refine it further. Let's see, I'm going to refine by source type. For the purposes of my research, I'm interested in newspaper articles on this particular topic. So I'm going to refine my source type to newspapers. Okay, so now it's 2,267 results. That's getting more manageable. Okay, so these are all the newspaper articles related to my search terms, income inequality and public health, that I have full text access to. But let's say I want to refine it even further. So I want to refine it by subject, because this could be a very broad topic. And my specific research is related to public health, income inequality, and its relation to the pandemic. So I'm going to go here, and this gives me all of the different subject headings, and I can see more subject headings if I select more. And this gives me the whole list. Okay, so I'm going to select COVID-19, pandemics, and coronavirus. And then I'm going to go to this, and I'm going to select apply. If you don't select apply, it won't actually apply your search limiter. in this particular case. So now we have 639 results. And so next we're going to be showing you how to select an article and find its full text.